Hi friends, now I will explain about OR operation in MongoDB. OR operation will use whenever we use conditions, it has to satisfy at least one condition. No need to satisfy with all conditions. AND operation has to satisfy both conditions, but OR condition it has to satisfy any one of the condition. Syntax in ODBMS is where name equal to HANA and or salary. So it will display salary equal to 1 lakh and name equal to HANA. That means name should be HANA and other values it could be any value, or salary should be 1 lakh and name it could be HANA or any other value also it will satisfy. And even though if it matches both also it will give, but actually it has to satisfy any one of the condition, but under operation it has to satisfy both conditions, then only it will display the documents. If it not satisfy any one condition by using under operation it will not list out, but or operation it has to satisfy at least one condition. Even though it's if it satisfies both also no issues. We'll see. Sorry, show DBs use a connected employees DB and listing out all documents. Okay, db dot find name is David. Salary is $75,000. Syntax mistake. Syntax mistake. Let's save the syntax. Okay, got it. Sorry, it has to satisfy any one of the condition. We have to use it in the array format. dollar or yeah, now it's correct. Oh, sorry, what is mistake here? It's fine. Fine, syntax is correct, exactly correct. What is the correct? Okay, everything is fine. What is wrong here? Yeah, got it. Key value pair should be in the flower brackets. Okay, that is what I made mistake. So in ODBMS, it's very easy to use the or symbol. Okay, how? Just or, where name equal to David or salary equal to 75,000. But here, see the how the criticality to use the syntax. But if you do practice, then it's very easy, no issues. Even I have seen the syntax, and even though I confused, but finally I got it. So you have to do practice very well, then you could be perfect. I made mistake. Okay, so you can correct it. So once you do, no, so you will get it. So what is the mistake we are doing? So if you do 2 3 4 5 times, then you can easily find the where is the issue. So this is the way we have to use the or symbol. And also we'll use the one more example also, and I will use the department. DEPT is BPO. So it will list out how many. David is 2 and department is 2. Total it has to list out 4 documents. Yeah, 4 documents. Yeah, please do practice for or operation. Please subscribe. Please share with others also. Thank you very much for watching my videos.